Somizi's ex Palesa Madisakwane to make a baby gay for Somizi and his fiancée Mohale. Somizi hangs out with ex Palesa Madisakwane and his fiancée. Blended family goals. Somizi hangs out with ex Palesa Madisakwane and his fiancée after agreeing on making a baby gay. Celebrity breakups can be nasty, especially when the media is involved. Whilst others choose to stay hateful towards each other, others move forward in peace. It looks like things are all good between Somizi and his daughter Bahumi Madisakwane's mother and ex-actress Palesa Madisakwane. The two hung out together over the weekend along with Somizi's fiancé, and of course they had to let the world know about their happy blended family. And Palesa agreed on making a baby boy, gay, for Somizi and his fiancé Mohale. Perfect family, Somizi captioned the photos. Check them out below. Palesa also took to her Instagram account sharing the same happy photos.
Yeah.